Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. A little bit of weakness in equity markets overnight has worked back. The S&P is back near session highs. It's actually in the green right now, though the NASDAQ is still just a little bit in the red. We have Fed Chair Powell talking here at 11 a.m. Central Time. Now, everybody's been talking about how we've seen the Fed be less hawkish and even dovish now. Now, the question is, does Fed Chair Powell rein some of that in a little bit? I don't think he's going to be outright dovish yet. I mean, I think they can be down the road, but not yet. So the market does feel a little exhausted at this level. We've been talking about that, especially after no substance from the U.S. and China trade talks. So if we do see a spike, we have major three-star resistance overhead. Check it out. It's in the Morning Express. This should present a good selling opportunity in an exhausted market. So watch for that as things unfold. We have a lot of Fed speak today. After Powell comes Bullard, Evans, and then later today, Clarida. So keep an eye on all of this, as they're all voting members, and they will be voting at each meeting in 2019. Now moving on to crude oil, we've seen a big bounce back here, back above 52 bucks. Support in the Morning Express has held. It held yesterday, and it's held today. It's going to be a key level. Our momentum indicators now are holding very well too, with the price action out above that level. Now, we did not have resistance where the market stalled yesterday, but we do have resistance overhead. Check it out. It's in the Morning Express. That level is going to be crucial, and probably crude could get a little exhausted if it gets up there. But give us a call. We're here to help talk about what to do in crude oil as it moves higher and tests resistance if it can get there. We talked about the fundamentals on the Morning Express today, and those haven't changed. We're still seeing bearish inventory reports in domestically from EIA, and that's not going to allow crude oil to move higher without fresh substance. Again, substance, but this time from Saudi Arabia or OPEC. They are jawboning. Yesterday, a lot of jawboning from the Saudi oil minister, and that helped this momentum. But we need to see that to continue. Now, lastly, gold has again stalled with a lower high at near 1,300. We are long-term bullish. This hasn't changed, but we like capitalizing on strength. It did hit our key support level coming into yesterday, and now we've stalled. So you want to be trading this range here and capitalizing on it. The treasuries, we haven't got down to our support of the treasuries we're looking for. We will give you that. The 10-year, 121, and the 30-year, 144. But you want to look for something probably in front of that area. If Fed Chair Powell isn't as less hawkish as people expect today, we could see gold come in a little bit, treasuries come in a little bit, and the dollar come off those lows. The dollar did get near a minor support level in the dollar index yesterday. But overall, the weekly trend is going to be key here as we head into CPI tomorrow. And that weekly trend we talked about in the FX Rundown. We'll touch on it again later today in the FX Rundown. Keep an eye out for that. Give us a call. We're here to help with anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.